Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the signature suite tropical view room with double beds at Impression Moxché. This expansive 1,200 square foot room is packed with everything you need to feel right at home during your vacation. The space boasts a modern, moody chic vibe with ambient lighting and sleek stone accents throughout. The bathroom is definitely a standout feature, offering all the amenities you could ever need, from toothpaste and a dental kit to even mosquito repellent. The room also features a full-length mirror and a spacious closet with plenty of storage for all your personal belongings. While not shown in the video, the room is also equipped with two bathrobes, two pairs of slippers, and a clothing steamer, all thoughtfully provided to make your stay even more comfortable. The rainfall shower head creates a spa-like experience, and you'll even find luxury brand Le Labo bath products and lotions, adding an extra layer of comfort. There is also a deep sunk-in tub which is perfect for unwinding. Be sure to have your butler arrange a bubble bath for you one evening of your stay. It's truly a treat. The bathroom also features a separate water closet, or as my husband likes to call it, the porcelain throne. And yeah, it's nice to just have it in a separate space. Moving on back into the main living space, they offer these beautiful beach bags which you can take home as a little souvenir for yourself. And then the balcony offers a beautiful tropical view of the grounds, and there is even another sunken tub out here on the balcony for your added comfort, and it's just a nice way to unwind and settle in for the evening. This room also features an espresso machine, which is perfect for brewing your morning coffee without the need to head to the 24-hour coffee shop. Plus, you'll find a complimentary bottle of sparkling wine to enjoy at your leisure. There's also a fully stocked mini bar packed with Coca-Cola products, refreshing flavored water, beer, and regular water. It's also replenished daily, so you can indulge in as much or as little as you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the signature suite with tropical view. Don't forget to check out our full adventure videos at this incredible all-inclusive resort. Until next time.